Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem. On the application of Brave, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click in the sign and you can search about Brave here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click OK, then you will enter the storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. Please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.